On this week's Coyote Blog, John Hines says stand your ground laws in the United States should be replaced by common sense.
South Dakota tends to be broad in its interpretation of the Second Amendment, but there are other states that go even further. The recent shooting of a 17-year-old in Sanford, Florida, has led to a public outcry and questions about gun rights, racism, and the controversial Stand Your Ground law. The law allows people to kill if they believe their life is in danger. Trayvon Martin, a high school student with good grades and no criminal record, was shot and killed by George Zimmerman, the neighborhood watch captain of a gated community. The facts of the case are troubling. When Zimmerman called 911 to report a suspicious person in the neighborhood, he ignored the dispatcher's advice to wait for police. Officers say Martin was carrying a bag of Skittles and a can of iced tea, hardly suspicious items. Many suggest that Martin, a black teenager in a gated community, was targeted due to his race. Zimmerman says he acted in self-defense, and because of the Stand Your Ground law, the state has to prove without a reasonable doubt that Zimmerman was not acting in self-defense. Zimmerman took a pistol, pursued a person he believed to be suspicious, some altercation followed, and then he shot Martin in the chest. The Stand Your Ground law in this case is an arbitrary standard that does nothing to serve justice or the public good. There's no reason a jury can't decide whether this is a case of self-defense or criminal activity. The criminal justice system isn't perfect, but if we don't give it a chance to work, it never will. For Coyote Blog, I'm John Hines.
Thanks, John.